Welcome to the Forex Pro Charts weekly analysis for the week beginning May the 1st, 2011. This week we are going to be looking at the Euro USD. Okay, looking at the Euro USD on the monthly chart, we can see that price has moved up strongly this month and has now reached the weekly armpit, noted by this medium-sized dotted line. This chart, you will see if you've been to our website, you'll know what I'm talking about. But you can see here that price is approaching the upper edge of our trading field, which is actually the monthly highs, and that the EU has a little bit of a different configuration than most of the other charts because it has a second monthly high and therefore a second upper edge of our trading field. Price is most likely to reverse between the monthly armpit and the upper edge of the trading field, so we're right at a point now where we could see price reverse at any time. Should price continue above this upper edge of our trading field, then we would look to see price reverse in this area here between this monthly armpit and this monthly high. Now, you can see price has moved up strongly this month. It is in an overall uptrend. And as I said, we are waiting to see which direction it will take and to see if it will reverse in this area. Okay, now again, price has moved up strongly this month, and it moved up strongly this last week from below the monthly armpit to breaching and spiking through the weekly armpit. However, it did close below the weekly armpit, so that indicates that this armpit is acting as a resistance level. So looking at the weekly charts, we have a small resistance zone right here, right above the 1500 level and below the upper edge of our trading field. This 1500 level is a strong psychological barrier. So this area right in here, this zone, has a good likelihood of price seeing a reversal, and it has a fairly small risk. So this will probably be a zone that we want to trade when price reaches this area. Should price reverse here and move down, then we have this support zone. You see that there's no pattern on the weekly chart. And actually this zone has not quite achieved its 3-to-1 ratio yet. So we're going to want to be cautious and not trade this until the 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio has been achieved. Now, should price go up here and then come back down, that will have met that ratio, and then this zone will be good to trade. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Okay, looking at the daily chart, again, we see how price moved up until the last 2 days of the week, where it consolidated right at this weekly armpit and closed below for 2 days in a row. We see here the zone that we're talking about, and we can see more clearly that this support zone has not achieved ratio yet. This zone, even though we cannot see its origination because it's so far away, this zone has easily achieved ratio, and as we said before, has a very small risk. So what we're really kind of expecting to see, price may bounce around here a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised to see price bounce between the monthly and weekly armpits, but I would expect it to continue up to this zone and reverse long term in this area prior to moving back down to this zone. And looking at the EU hourly, we can see where price at the end of the week just consolidated around this weekly armpit, and that price is between zones. So we didn't have any trades on this pair this week, so this is just a look at what price did around these monthly and weekly armpits. So that is our analysis on the Euro USD pair for the week beginning May the 1st, 2011. For more information or to subscribe to our full analysis and charting services on 10 major pair of currency, please go to www.forexprocharts.com, where you can get a week-long demo and get access to all of our educational materials as well as all of our analysis services. Good luck trading this week. We look forward to seeing you back next week.